Hi everybody. It's so nice to meet all of you all through Instagram. Okay, let me take the first question. That's by Giri Day. What are the special plans for your birthday? Okay. Special plans are with my daughter and my husband and very close friends and family because in Maharashtra and Bombay the COVID 19 has spiked, so can't really celebrate. We're back to square one from last March to this March. Again, things are looking a bit not very great, so we're going to keep a low profile birthday. But yeah, but it's always special to have my mum and my daughter and my husband by my side. Okay, Sanim Demer 32. Hello. Okay, then there is you are completing 25 years in the industry this year. Tell us about your journey. This is Super Sandy. Okay, so 25 years, yeah, when I think of the number of years, 25, it seems like a very long time. But honestly, for me, it just seems like my journey has never been, like it's not stopped, it's just gone on and on and on. Since the day I was 16, I started working. And now after 25 years, it feels the same because the struggle is yet on. Learning is still on as an actor. There's a lot that I have to accomplish. There's a lot that I have to learn. For an actor, learning never stops. And the more experience I have with different directors, different technicians, different co-stars, I get to learn a lot. So yeah, it still feels nice and I'm raring to go because with each film I kind of discover a new me, and I love telling stories, important stories, powerful women stories. So yeah, so I just hope that my next 25 years is as wonderful as my last 25 years would be, and in that I only want support from you guys because without my fans, without people who admire my work, my journey would have been incomplete. So I would just want your love and your blessings for the next 25 years. Then there's Tarun TY33. Can't wait to see you in Bunty or Bubbly 2. Tell us a little about the film. Okay, so Bunty or Bubbly 2, of course, Bunty or Bubbly 1. Though it was not called Bunty or Bubbly 1, it was just Bunty Bubbly at that time. It's one of my most memorable films that I worked in, and it's one of the films that I enjoyed shooting a lot. I think it was a whole lot of fun because Shad, Abhishek, Vaibhavi, all of us, I think we were at that stage in our lives where we were all carefree, and there was another kind of energy that we had on the sets, and the way Shad shot it, especially in Kanpur, Lucknow. There were all these guerrilla shoots that we were doing in real locations. Then traveling from one place to another in India, it was amazing because having the local food, cuisine. I'm quite a foodie at that, so it was really fun. So yeah, when Bunty Bubbly 2 came up, there was a lot of nostalgia. There was a lot of love, and of course this time I didn't have Shad or Abhishek with me joining me in this journey of Bunty Bubbly 2. But to be very honest, the journey this time was also equally fun because I had Saif, who was one of my most favorite co-stars to partner with in this film, and of course there was Varun, who was the director, not Varun Dhawan, but Varun, my director, who's done a fabulous job with Bunty Bubbly 2. I think he's one of the people who obviously has seen Bunty Bubbly while growing up, and I think it was one of his favorite films. So he's given a nice quirky twist to the film, and of course with Sharvari, who is debuting with the film, who is also young bubbly, and Siddhant, who's playing Bunty. They both have brought this amazing freshness to Bunty Bubbly 2. So I'm sure the people who've loved Bunty Bubbly will absolutely adore Bunty Bubbly 2 as well. Okay, so there is Abhimanyu. Then there is, I'm just going to take some names whoever's joining me. Akshay Solanki, he sent me a lot of love, so a lot of love to you too. Jolly Pie also has sent a lot of love with the smiley. Then there's Hussein Mashal, movie after Bunty Bubbly 2. Okay, that's a surprise, guys, and I don't think you'll have to wait for long because I'm going to give you that surprise very soon. It's a very special film, so I think you'll get to know about it soon. Okay, somebody sent me a lot of hearts and somebody sent me crying. I don't know, I missed the name. Then there's Amir Khan from Turkey. He says, I love you too. Then there's AJ Pawar. Ma'am, what are your learnings from the lockdown? Please tell us. Okay, so a lot of people have experienced a lot of different things during the lockdown. There have been people who have reflected back on their life during this time because suddenly lockdown made everybody just come together and sit at home, think about their life, think about a lot of things that they didn't think while the pace was going really fast and fast and fast, and everybody got that time out to sit, spend time with family, loved ones. And I think some of the people have really made very good use of the lockdown time. Of course, there have been some people who have been infected by the virus. There have been some families who've been devastated with the loss of their loved ones. And my heart goes out to them because this virus suddenly erupting last year, I think has taken a toll on human life, on like everybody around. People who have lost their loved ones, I think they're still getting over the shock of what happened. So yeah, I think thinking of everything, a lot of suffering that has taken place, a lot of people who've lost their jobs during this time. So I think it has been quite a mixed bag of emotions for a lot of people this entire last year. Some people have been, like some families have had the opportunity to have their husbands and sons and fathers home for a long time. Some people have been very strong in taking care of all their employees who must be working for them. Of course, the frontline workers have done a great job in protecting everybody and being the heroes out there, the real heroes. For me, honestly, I think my life is revolving around my daughter because I was making sure, as any other mother would during the lockdown, to make sure that she's happy and that the fear of corona does not really take over her little innocent and very fragile life right now, because she's just 5 years old and I didn't want that fear to develop in her because schools obviously stopped. She had just about joined school and this whole thing happened. So my entire focus was looking after her, and of course my mom, who has just recovered from a very, very important spine surgery. So yeah, it was mostly home and taking care of loved ones. Okay, then there is Divani Rani Mukherjee. Namita, say Namita please. Hi Namita. Then there's Sandrine Lou 069. Then there's Ashima, ma'am, she will get over it, don't worry. Thank you. Then there's Vishal Seth, who says, love you ma'am, love you too. Then there's Ishwar Bundele, biggest fan, and I love you. Thank you so much for being my biggest fan. Then there's Sangeeta Chatterjee. Please make your own Insta account. Okay, I'm going to try that, but you know I'm very bad at being on social media, but through these kind of things like these Instagram live chats, I get to meet you guys. So I'm very, very thankful to YRF for giving me this opportunity to do that. Okay, then there is Rimbak. Hi Rimbak. Then there is Shahrukh X Castle. My name is Arshia. Hi Arshia. Then there is Sujoy Banik. Hi Sujoy. Then there's Anmol Thakur. कैसी हैं आप? मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. Then there's Sunil, who sent me a lot of kisses and pink hearts, sending them back to you. Then there is Vishal Jethwa, hi. Hi Vishal. Hope you're doing well. So guys, that's Vishal, my co-star from Mardani, who said hi to me on Instagram. Then there's uh, Real, no, who's that? Um, Vinay Soni, 8962, sending me white hearts. Thank you. Then there is Hamza. Hi Hamza. Then there is also, yeah, that like reminds me, I have to thank Ranians all over the world for making such a cute video and sending me. I think it's one of the most cherished memories of mine to have seen the video. Okay, there's Lakshman who's sending me lots of heart. Lakshman, thank you for the hearts. And back to Ranians, I think Oishi had put this video together. I think it was very, very sweet. Thank you so much, each one of you all. Like the messages that you all poured in for me from all parts of the world. Thank you so much. You guys got to know that because of the love that you guys send me, it actually gives me the incentive to go out there and do great work. So thank you for supporting me always, and hopefully I'll never let you guys down. I'll work really hard with each film of mine and make sure that you guys are proud Ranians. Then of course there is Vivek Singh non-stop. Okay, what is he saying? On your birthday, what is that one wish that I want? The one wish that I'm really praying for is to stop suffering and for COVID-19 to just vanish from planet Earth completely, so that lives get to normal and our films start releasing in the theaters, and people not getting troubled with the fear of sending their children to school, elders being safe, everybody being safe. So I really, really want COVID-19 to go away and our life becomes how it used to be pre-corona. Then there's Anupam Mukherjee, who's sending me lots of hearts. Thank you. Then of course there's Manoj 1989. Looking back at your 25-year journey, what is your biggest learning? Okay, my biggest learning has been to keep learning. That has been my biggest learning. I think learning for an artist never stops, as I told you before. So for me, my biggest learning has been to just focus on work and do that with utmost sincerity. Dear Rani, you'll be completing a decade tomorrow. This is from Indonesia, Rani Bhara fans. It means a lot to us. Thank you so much. Yes, I will be completing, I am completing 25 years this year in the industry. And as I told you, without you guys, my fans, I would not have been able to survive, especially with the kind of prejudices that a married actress, an actress with a baby has to go through. The fact that you guys have supported me throughout, it's nothing short of a miracle that I'm still working and I'm still doing relevant work, and that's all thanks to you guys. Okay, I have Vandekar 7 who's sending me different colored hearts. Thank you. I love the heart emoji, so yeah, it looks wonderful on Instagram as well. Then there's Sharvari who's saying I love you. Sharvari, is that you? Hi baby, I love you. I love you. Thanks for joining me on Instagram. So to all my fans, that was Sharvari, my wonderful and most talented colleague from Bunty Bubbly 2. You guys will be really, really thrilled and amazed to see her talent and her work. She's wonderful in Bunty Bubbly 2. And of course there's Maja Rani. I miss you. Yes, I miss you too, my dear. Then there's Dharmesh Rathod. How was it shooting with Saif after so many years? Saif, as I said, he's one of my most favorite co-stars. I've done a lot of work with Saif, and I think this time around it was of course different because the maximum we spoke about was about our children. He spoke about Taimur and I spoke about Adira and about what our children do and what do they have in common. So yeah, it was wonderful to now interact as parents. When I worked with Saif previously, of course he had Sarah and Ibrahim, but I was not a mom. But this time around, I was a mom, so we exchanged a lot of notes regarding our children. Now that's Rajan Bhatia. My wife's face. Sorry, my wife's face. Okay, I'm sorry. That just went. That just went on. Anyway, I couldn't read it. I think Instagram goes really fast. I'm so sorry. I can't keep up to the speed. But anyway, I hope it comes back so that I can read the question again. Something he said about his wife's face. Uh, so yeah. Then there's Swati Arora. Any words of advice for young girls who want to be an actress? My only advice would be that the film industry, being an actress in our Indian film industry is not easy. It's a very, very difficult profession to be in because there are a lot of expectations that audiences have from you once you become an established star. And also to be able to, work in different conditions. It's not very easy. Of course, on screen it all looks very glamorous and very, very easy and nice, and it looks very serene and it looks beautiful, especially the locations where we shoot sometimes. But actually, working in the industry is very, very hard. So if you're ready to work really hard and if you really love the craft of acting, I think you should be there, not for any other reason. Because success, glamour, name, fame comes only when the audiences love you. So your first and foremost thing is to work very sincerely so that you gain loyal fans for life. Then there's Sarika Santosh. She loved Mardani. Thank you, my darling, for your compliments. Then there is Rani Sheikh 83. Hi. Hi, Rani Sheikh. Then there is Sanket Jadhav. He's from Nasik. Hi, Sanket. Mauli. Hi, my darling. Then there's Akshadha Arora. You're proud to be Iranian, and I hope to keep you feeling proud like this all the time with my work. And you're going to be very, very happy to hear the next announcement. Then, of course, there's Manpreet from Delhi. Hi, my darling. I hope you're doing well, and I hope Corona has not troubled you much. Then there's Aishwarya from Rani Licious. Hi, my darling. Then there's Ankur Bhandari. Hi. Then there's David Rohit. And there is JP Sharma. There's Tanzanite. Hi, sweetie. Then there's Varun Singh. Then there is a rumor about Mardani 3. Okay, now this I can tell you, it's not Mardani 3 for sure. But yeah, it would be lovely if it was Mardani 3 because it's one of my most favorite franchises and it's a very, very important film for us all. So yeah, it would be great to do Mardani 3 also. But right now it's not Mardani 3. Then of course there's Omar Zafar from Sweden. Hi Omar. Then there's Aryan Thakur. Then there is Krish, superhero. Wow. Of course, all my Rani Bhara fans and Ranians, thank you so much for always loving my work, supporting me, and being loyal fans. Actually, when I saw your video, it actually made me very, very emotional. There's Salman from Orlando. Hi. And of course, there's Zahra Watan from Iran. Hi. So I would like to end this chat here, sending you lots and lots of love, my dears. Harshdev, oh my God, that's a lot of emojis. Thank you for being there. Oh, okay, I love those Nitya Sajdev. Those lollipops are great. I'm thinking of Adira right now. She loves those lollipops from Dubai, from Candylicious. Then of course there is Barad Yaswant Sin. Lovely, lovely emojis. Okay, Tariq 22. Then there's Sinu. Then there's Chopra. One Chopra to another. Sriday. Then there's Bolly MXS. Pooja Kapoor. Apurva Sharma. Pirunj. Okay, guys, and there's Ramvija Mehta, Debomita, then there's Guru, then there's Harshvardhan. Guys, you all are so cute. You all have all like taken out valuable time from your daily routines and connected with me. Thank you so much. It means a lot. There's somebody from Turkey again. Hi. Then there's somebody from Malaysia. Hi. Hope you guys in Malaysia are doing fine. Okay, now let's wrap it up, and I'm sending you a big hug, all my fans, all my loved ones. Wishing you all a wonderful year ahead. I hope you guys go ahead and do well, and that coronavirus doesn't trouble you all at all. And I hope to meet you all soon, and I hope you guys will be happy with the announcement of my film tomorrow. Bye. See you guys.
See you.